Hello everybody. So in this video we're going to be going over why I took 2 losses today. So it is what it is. It's never fun, but it happens. This is the name of the game. So from the analysis this morning, right? We were trending up here. Right? We were still maintaining this counter trend. So when we were getting to, I believe, somewhere around this point right in here, right? Now, it's mostly from entering too early, but when I was seeing all of this exhaustion right up in here, exhaustion, buyer's exhaustion, right? I dropped down to a lower time frame, see that it was making a level of resistance right here. So mark this area off, right? And saw, moving into here, seeing this area, wanted a bit more detail, moved into here, right? Saw that it was looking like it was respecting this trend line right in here. So I moved to a lower time frame, right? Saw the fact that we only broke a minor level of resistance or minor level of support. Keyword minor, right? Broke a minor level, and then I entered, I believe, somewhere right in here, right? I had my stop loss above this area, but here's the thing. H4 was only showing us, some levels of exhaustion, right? But nothing major yet. Nothing major happened on lower time frames yet. And then second of all, right, it was maintaining an area of resistance, right, to a degree, but on these lower time frames such as M5, M15, if we look here, we never broke this area, right? Yeah, it closed lower, but it never broke, right? So we had this break, doji, push back up, right? And then on this time frame, we see it just tested on this area too. So it never, and then it maintained these higher levels of support right in here, right? So it never ever broke anything, right? But I was still keeping my bias, and notice that we were still maintaining this area of resistance, right? So when I was seeing all of this, now granted, this is me not correlating the higher time frames with the lower time frames, right? We were basing the structure kind of off of H1, H4, correlating it with like M30, M15, right? So seeing with H4, yes, we were still making exhaustion points around this area. And yes, we were maintaining this area of resistance, right? Test. Exhaustion. Right? So I had, again, too steep of a trend line, right? I had a trend line something like this going on. And then, again, minor level. Broke, retest. There wasn't even an engulfing, right? I went ahead, entered, saw some drawdown. I was like, all right, cool. Right? Had my stop loss up around this area. 1, spreads took me out. And then 2, too tight of a stop loss. 3, there's not enough data. Right? We're on too low of a time frame for seeing where we're at, right? Yes, we established that there was exhaustion, but we didn't establish any sort of break, right? So yeah, that could be considered a break, right? And then all of this was a retest, right? So 1, 2, boom, right? But not up in here. So yeah, this entire trade was just invalid. It was entering too early. So, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes we do get a little antsy, and we don't follow our rules completely, right? I should have waited for at least some sort of minor level on this time frame to break, along while correlating it with this higher time frame exhaustion that we were seeing, right? And even look, all of this in here, the SMA and EMA on H1 was still bullish, right? So we know the fact that there was more bullish momentum still within the market. Yes, we were on a downtrend, but still a lot more bullish momentum within this market. And then 2, there wasn't anything broken. So yeah, it was just a too early of a trade. So, but if this video helped you out, please hit the like button and share this video. I would highly appreciate that. If you're not already, do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the analysis videos and to see more trades, more breakdowns, etc., etc. So yeah, all about risk management. Luckily, I was sticking to my risk management, and I didn't lose too much. So yeah, that's about it. So peace.